everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Darnell and today I'm going to paint a flower. I'm going to paint it on this 8-inch Paramount round canvas. It's been in my closet for a little while, but I'm pretty sure I got that at Jerry's Artorama. So for the flower, I'm going to have it just a little bit offset, blow out my petals with an airbrush. The colors that I'm going to be using are interference colors, and this one here is Deco Art Turquoise. Actually, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this turquoise or not, but I'd like to put some petals on there if I can figure out where to put them. And this one is Deco Art. These are the Enchanted series. This is the blue. Now, I didn't have these paints before, but Christina Welch had a surplus and sent me some, so I'm going to give them a try. Thank you, Christina, for that. And then I'm also going to use the Pearl series from Amsterdam, and this is the Pearl Blue. And then this here, it's not white, it's pearl, but I made it with the Pearl Blue, and I added for my medium, the Pearl Medium from Vallejo. And so that gives it a white, creamy look, and it has a hint of blue to it. So I love the way that looks, so I'm going to use that for my white. And then this here is the gold. This will be for the center of the flower. I'm going to add a little bit of this cell activator in there too. All right, so I'm going to get my colors back a little bit and get my black base down, and we'll get started. Thanks for joining, by the way. So time to make the flower. Center of this flower to be right here. Okay. It's going to give me a guide where I want to put my colors at. We want to do the blue from Deco Art Enchanted series first. So we're going to put the blue where the petals would go. I might regret that, but we'll do it anyway. gonna leave that right there. Get you down here for a close-up. I love it. Hey guys, so I thought that this painting needed a little embellishment, so I brought in my beautiful and talented daughter. She's going to help me finish this project off. You want to say hi, Michelle? Hello. So we're going to add a beautiful saying here and follow the edges of the leaves. I thought that would look neat. So we're going to try this out, and if this works out, then probably going to do this in some future projects as well. I might even try my hand at it, even though she writes better than I do. So, sit back, enjoy, relax, and this will be the final touches to this painting. What do you think? Wow! That looks amazing. Yeah, I love it.